Well, hello, dear. Yeah, my name's Redbird. I'm moving into a Birdland apartment. Yeah, sure. Can you help me over here? Okay, sure, I can. How, how do you get in there? Don't ask. So, you came to buy the Birdland house, right? Yeah. So, first things first. First things first. In order, though, those two people right there, uh, Chuck and Stella, they're nice. And oh yeah, there's lots of thieves. But you'll be okay. Now get in there. Wait, thieves! In the cold Mickey Mooska Mouska! Thieves. Can't believe it. I'm gonna probably get robbed. Hello? How you get in my house? Yeah, about that. Well, I didn't break in. But anyways, I'm just gonna tell you about how my name is Stella. And, you need help building your house? No. Okay, I'll be out. And that guy over there is Chuck. He's not in yet. He's somewhere. Okay, so what to do now? Where's that annoying music coming from? I hate the world. Who's that? Hello, dear. My name's Chuck. So, I want to tell you about how my name's Chuck. You just said that. So, I want to tell you about how I live, at that house near you. Yes, I can see that. So anyways, I want to tell you about how we can be friends, and also how I'm a gym teacher. But anyways, like I said, hello. Well, goodbye! Well, that was a weirdo. Well, I guess it's time to go to my house. Who's that? Well, hello, dear. My name is Grandpa Pig. If you don't know, I live on Birdland Street, and my son, Sonny Pig, so what he does is he robs people's houses. So just want to tell you that you're gonna get robbed. I don't give a what, but okay. Okay. So, well, that was great. Well, I got everything. My exclusive transformer, check. My exclusive pair of safety scissors, check. My exclusive part of Tom the Tank Engine bridge, check. Exclusive me, check. Exclusive chair that was already here, check. Everything's checked. Meanwhile, well, I can't wait to meet this new neighbor and be friends with him. Okay, what should I give to him as a gift? Okay, let's see. Pencil. No, that's mine. This thing. No, it's mine. Ball of fluff. No, that's mine. $100 bill. Yeah, pointless. Let's see. Ooh! I got some food in my refrigerator. Some spoiled minis. And some... Oh, I think I like this annoying jiggly thingy. Well, it's annoying, but whatever. I'll go knock on the door again. What is it? What do you want again? I want to give you this annoying jiggly thing. Sure, whatever, I'll take it. Okay, well, goodbye. Yeah. Well, that was lame. And I'm starting to wonder if this is a really boring neighborhood. It's really bland. Well, I guess I'll just go to sleep and just wait for tomorrow. Next time on Next time in Angry Birds and Friends. Wait. Dang, such a poop. Next time on Angry Birds and Friends. Red's gonna get robbed. We'll tune back in next week to see the next episode, kids. Well, time to do the credits that we don't have.